Today we're in Merida, the capital of Quintana Roo in the Yucatan, and we're gonna see what trouble we can get into, see if we can have some fun, and see if Merida is an awesome, chillo place to be. They think so. This is one big, bustling, crazy city. I see a market down here. Let's go check it out. If you're wondering how so many people could obey the mask law where everywhere else in Mexico people seem to almost not care at all, it's because there's literally 2 cops on every corner, and apparently they're fining people up to 200 pesos for defying the mask regulations. So that's why everyone's wearing a mask. 200 pesos is a lot of money. Okay, let's see how long I can get away with filming before someone tells me to cut it out. I think I found a fruit that I've never seen before. Hola, ¿cómo se llama? Amen? Amen. And amen. Apparently it's called amen, so it's bueno. Ah, and ¿cuánto pero uno? 15. 15. Okay. How much is Diense? 30? No entiendo. 10 pesos, 10 pesos, okay. It's very unique, but it's wonderful. It's like a mango and a papaya mixed together. Right here?
Sí.
Oh shit, that's
Wow,
sharp.
yes.
That's really sharp.
Sí, yes.
That's really sharp. Gracias, amigo. And then, oh fuck. Too much. And here's the true story of Merida, the capital city of Quintana Roo in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. It was founded in 1542 by a family of Spanish conquistadors and named after one of the cities of Spain, also named Merida. The location was built on top of an ancient Mayan city called Tho, and it's one of the oldest continually occupied cities in Mexico. To build the city, the conquistadors actually used a lot of the rubble from the destroyed Mayan cities to build their own defensive walls, their own buildings, and so it was originally called the White City. Not because the Spaniards are white, but because they used the white stones that the Mayans had used for their buildings to build their own structures. And a lot of those buildings and structures are still here to this day. Today, Merida has over 1 million inhabitants, and it's one of the largest cities in Mexico. So if you're looking for a good time and you like to wear a mask right now, Merida is the place to be. Oh no, the fan is bueno.
¿Dónde?
The fan, bueno.
Ah, el ventilador.
Sí. From Canada.
Sí,
Hola to Canada and the world.
Somos policía del estado de Yucatán. Somos policía del estado de Yucatán. Nuestro lema es servir y proteger.
The Yucatan police officer is very muy friendly People are afraid of the police, but they're not so bad. They're good. And he's introducing me to his car. The security guy.
El escudo de Yucatán.
Sí.
Sí, de la Secretaría de Seguridad Pública del Estado de Yucatán.
And this is your casa.
Sí. Estoy cuidando esa casa.
Oh.
Es una consigna para que no se abra, una clausurada por...
Ok, muchas gracias, amigo.
Sí. Aquí estamos
Boom.
pendientes.
Adios.
Bueno.
What a friendly guy. Just hanging out in his car in the heat. With his fan. I guess it doesn't have air conditioning. Ugh, I hate the mask.
Okay.
My new amiga from Merida, from Mexico City.
Yes.
And her name is, ¿cuál es tu nombre?
Lulu.
Lulu.
Exactly.
And she goes good with the building behind us. She looks like she fits in.
Hi.
And hello to Canada and the world.
Okay.
Yes. And God, now I can practice my Spanish with a new friend. And she can practice her English.
Okay, yes. Definitivamente, hay que practicar.
Okay.
No, I don't know. Sorry.
We're trying to figure out what this building is, if anyone can tell us. But it looks very cool. I said, oh, it looks like a French building, and she told me, well, it's actually Spanish, right? And Spain is right beside France, so that makes sense. Yeah. And we're walking together. She's going to get her passport renewed, and I'm being a traveler. So
Pero
this guy's a Mayan.
Yes, Mayan.
But he looks like Superman.
No.
I think
es un antiguo gobernador y que defendió a los mayas. Entonces,
okay, I'm going to get a better picture of this. I'm running to get the picture
Okay.
before the car hits me. Now we're trapped.
Mestiza is the Spanish, Maya.
Right.
Okay.
Mestizo is Spanish and Mayan together. They're a mixed.
Yes. Exacto.
Right. I knew this. I was just testing you. It was just a test.
Okay.
It looks like the museum's open, so we're gonna go take a look. Masks up.
Modo activado.
Yeah, it's open. We're at the Monument de Revolution.
Yes.
We're
Monumento de la Revolución.
We're gonna get a selfie. Okay, let's go. Okay. She's preventing me from dying. I won't need travel insurance anymore with her. Okay.
Este es el Monumento de la Revolución.
This is the Monument de Revolution. Good?
Yes.
What can I say about this? It's very cool. The story of the Mayans, huh?
Yes. Toda la historia de la Revolución Mexicana está a los lados. Sí.
And that's that. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I think that's all for today's adventure. She has to go to a meeting. I need to get some work done. Adios, amigos and amigas.
Adiós.